Hey everyone, Creatively Cara here, and my channel is all about taking you along on my creative journey through my bullet journal artwork and DIY. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I would love to have you join me on this journey by hitting that subscribe button down below and ring that bell to be notified of when my videos are next posted. Today's video is going to be all about bullet journaling for students. I just graduated with my master's in May, and I used the bullet journal method in my last couple of years to finish my master's. So I want to share with you some of the spreads that I utilized, as well as maybe some extra ones that I figured out throughout the time. And that way you can start your own bullet journal for school this year. If you like that smaller size, this is a mini happy planner size, so that's always possible. If you want the smaller size but not like too small, this is always a great size to go with. It's just an 8.5 by 11 cut in half, so it's the junior size, and it could be really flexible still for a student if you wanted to utilize that. But what I would recommend though is going with an 8.5 by 11 disc-bound planner. This is what I utilize. I actually utilize this cover and these rings. The contents inside are actually for work now, but I found this to be really helpful. I was able to print off the PowerPoint slides. I punched them, stuck them in here, took my notes on them, took extra notes. You know, if I had assignments, I'd print off the assignment sheet, the syllabus, all of that good stuff right in one place. And I really wish I had actually found this system for my undergrad degree, because I would have loved it. That's why I'm sharing this with you today, so that hopefully you guys can all find this stuff early on and utilize it for your college experience to hopefully make it better and more organized. But there's 3 brands that I probably would recommend. There's the Staple Arc brand. That's what this blue cover is. It's just like a poly cover with disc rings. The nice thing about this, you can add in dividers. There's also pockets that you can add in, so lots of really great features. So I would definitely recommend something like this. Office Depot also makes a similar brand to Arc, but theirs is called Tool. I think that Tool might have more variety, but I personally don't own anything from Tool. Staples is closer to me than Office Depot, so I just purchase everything there. So I will post down below in the description box all of the items I used today as much as possible. I may not be able to find everything exactly because some of this stuff is kind of Mod Podge together. Yeah, I definitely would check out the Arc planner. I would check out the Tool planner, and then also I would check out Mambi, Me and My Big Ideas, the Happy Notes. Thankfully, the Happy Planner is actually starting to get on board with this whole bullet journaling thing. I've noticed they've had a lot more dot grid items. I'm going to set up my school setup in this new Happy Notes. There are 60 sheets. They're all dot grid. It's got some kind of cool, fun covers, and inside there's some fun stuff as well. These did not come included with it, but they were something extra that I bought. Also a Mambi brand. And if you like stencils, which I'm starting to absolutely love because it just makes nice, clean, easy lines and with minimal hassle. So I like that these just come right, I can just put these right in here. But they come with 3 dividers. They have lots of different kind of themes for their notebooks, but I definitely would get a dotted one because you can still write straight across if you need to. I'm going to kind of show you how I would set this up for school. So let's go ahead and get started. thank you all so much for taking the time to watch my video today. If you liked what you saw, make sure you hit that like button down below, and if you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button as well, and ring that bell to be notified of when my next video is posted. Until next time, bye-bye!